go down the rivers of America for the next 10 to 12 hours. Now, before we get going too far and too fast, we're going to ask that you please remain good at all times, even if you do have the urgency now and then to stand up and applaud one of my jokes. Now, you are on the Mike Fink Keel Boats, the Bertha Mae, named because Bertha Mae makes it around the river, Bertha Mae not.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Frontierland Stuntmen.
Now right over there to the left, that is Frontierland. Mobile Grizzly Bowl right there in the country there in Jamboree. Now there's really no flaws for a long time because those birds are a friendly group. Just singing and dancing and playing their instruments all that. But I heard something grizz.
Look at that, so
Bowman, cast off bow line. Engine room, ahead 1/4 and stand by. Wind, Mach 3, Mach 4, Ocean deep. Engine room, ahead 3/4 and steady as she goes.
Howdy, folks. Welcome aboard the Richard F. Irvine. This is your captain speaking from the pilot house. My first duty is to navigate our stern-wheeler along the rivers of America. But when I'm not tending to those duties, I'll point out some interesting sights along our way. Now, for your safety, kindly do not sit on the handrails. We may come across rough waters or even river pilots, so please don't lean out beyond the railing. Thank you. On our port side is Frontierland. Here, settlers seeking their fortune in lumber and gold have carved a boom town out of the wilderness. In the distance beyond the trees, you can spy the frontier trading post. There, Texas John Slaughter sells goods that trappers, keel boaters, and Indians bring in from miles around. Grizzly Hall, home of Country Bear Jamboree. Starring in this frontier musical is a pack of backwoods Bruins unlike any you've ever heard. Believe me, nobody hibernates when the bear band's on stage. It's as wild and fully a show as you're likely to see anywhere. But it's not the only wild thing around these parts. See that construction off to the left there? Well, rumor has it that they're building a whole new mountain called Splash Mountain. It's going to be the home of Brer Rabbit, Brer Fox, and Brer Bear. And they say it's going to be the biggest, fashionest log ride ever built. They also say it's going to be the laughingest place around. But I suppose that depends on whether you think plunging more than 50 feet into a prickly briar patch is funny. But if you mosey into these parts in the fall of 1992, you can see her for yourself. We're passing by the landing for log rafts that carry pioneers from the mainland to Tom Sawyer Island. This island is where Tom Sawyer and Huck Finn spent many an afternoon exploring Harper's Mill, Injun Joe's Cave, and the magnetic mystery mines. During the gold rush, that old mining camp at Big Thunder Mountain was jumping with excitement. Nowadays, it's nearly deserted, except for the Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Legends tell of some strange, almost supernatural force at the throttle of those trains. Unsuspecting passengers who climb aboard in search of gold soon find they gold as wild as riding the frontier. Coming up on our starboard side is Fort San Clemente. Settlers often stop at this outpost for shelter and protection before traveling deeper into the woods. Attention deck one. Set my cabin afire off the starboard bow. Crews stand by. Keep an eye out for river